Why do some functions have underscores, underscore, underscore, before and after the function name? This underscoring seems to occur a lot, and I was wondering if this was a requirement in the Python language, or merely a matter of convention. Also, could someone name and explain which functions tend to have the underscores, and why underscore underscore init underscore underscore, for instance?
From the Python PEP 8 Style Guide for Python Code. Descriptive, naming styles. The following special forms using leading or trailing underscores are recognized. These can generally be combined with any case convention. Underscore single underscore leading underscore underscore, weak, internal use indicator. E.g. from import asterisk does not import objects whose name starts with an underscore. Single underscore trailing underscore underscore underscore, used by convention to avoid conflicts with Python keyword, e.g. Tkinter.top level, master, class underscore equals a class name, underscore underscore double underscore leading underscore underscore, when naming a class attribute, invokes name mangling, inside class foobar, underscore underscore boo becomes underscore foobar underscore underscore boo, see below. Underscore underscore double underscore leading underscore and underscore trailing underscore 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 underscore, magic, objects or attributes that live in user-controlled namespaces. E.g. underscore underscore init underscore underscore, underscore underscore import underscore underscore or underscore underscore file underscore underscore. Never invent such names, only use them as documented. Note that names with double leading and trailing underscores are essentially reserved for Python itself. Never invent such names, only use them as documented.
Names surrounded by double underscores are special to Python. They're listed in the Python language reference, section 3, data model.
The other respondents are correct in describing the double leading and trailing underscores as a naming convention for special, or magic, methods. While you can call these methods directly, a 10, 20, a dot underscore underscore len underscore underscore, or for example, the presence of the underscores is a hint that these methods are intended to be invoked indirectly, a len, a 10, 20, for example. Most Python operators have an associated magic method, for example, x is the usual way of invoking a dot underscore underscore get item underscore underscore, or x.
Actually, I use underscore method names when I need to differ between parent and child class names. I've read some codes that use this way of creating parent-child classes. As an example, I can provide this code. And the child that have a underscore worker method.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.